We arrived in Cancun last night, checked into the Grand Moon Palace, and we were pretty shocked. We booked a basic resort view room, and when we got in, we found this. It's a suite. It's amazing. Coming to the right, we've got a toilet with a sink, and then back here, through the corridor, we have a dining area. Look at that. And then further on, to the right, we've got a sink area. Hello. And then if I open this cupboard, got a coffee machine, some sweets we brought ourselves, but there's more where those came from. Up above, oh, we have some liquor. We got tequila, Bacardi, rum, scotch and vodka. And then further down, we have the mini bar with the mixers. Now pretty much all Palace Resort rooms have this, but it's in here. And under the sink we've got other things. There's even a microwave on this side. And plates and cups. If we go round again. Right, beyond the dining area, we have a little sitting area. There's a big flat screen TV with an Xbox underneath, and sofa, lovely sofa, and a lampshade. Now we go across to the bedroom. Right, look at the size of the king size bed. It's beautiful. It's really, really beautiful. And then to the right here, we have the famous Palace hot tub and another table. And hello, Mel.
Hi.
Got another table with a bottle of wine. And on this side of the bed area, another big flat screen TV. And then across here, we have another bathroom area with double sinks, and under the cupboards you've got a hair straightener and a hair dryer. Through here I have another toilet. It's quite a big room. And then over here we have the shower. We've got double shower heads, one there and one there. It's very comfortable. And then finally, we have the wardrobe. Now, the wardrobe is absolutely massive. You can walk in here. Look at this. It's absolutely huge. We've already put our clothes in there. The wardrobe's got an ironing board, iron and an umbrella in there, and you've got a little room safe.